working on the DX today. I haven't really posted a lot of content about this bike. Like, I have some older TikToks and stuff of it when I first got it, but July will be like 2 years that I've had this bike. This is a 2001 Dyna FX DX. So, a lot of cool things about this bike. Fully adjustable suspension from the factory, which was unique for Harley at that time. Sport bikes and stuff were doing that for a long time, but this was super unique for Harley. So you have adjustments on the bottom, you have adjustments on the top, you have adjustments for the rear. So super cool bike, and a lot of people argue this is like the best early model Dyna you can get. It's got a Timken bearing bottom end, which are just known for being able to thrash on and just their longevity. We're doing a simple 3-hole today, so we're going to do the engine, we're doing the trans, and the primary. I have been running Lucas in my bikes for quite a while. So we're going to do the 20W synthetic, of course, in the motor and the primary. And then I'm going to do Lucas's 85W 140 gear oil in the trans. K&N filter. You could pick these guys up, these Captain O-rings, like 1,000 of them for $10 on Amazon. And then, of course, a new Derby cover gasket from Harley. And then you could do the gear oil in the primary, too, if you want, to quiet that down a little bit, too. That's what we're going to do today. The DX, we've done some things to this bike. We put a awesome, cheap Amazon headlight on it. But I will tell you what, this 40... What's that thing, 40, 50 bucks?
50 yeah, bucks, 50, 60.
Like this light is awesome. And so we just have it set up for the run when the key's on. And then when you flip high beam, that's when the actual light's going to blast on. And that thing is stupid bright. Like, it's ridiculous. So much so that actually Bear Flag put 2 of these smaller versions on his truck as fog lights because they're so damn bright. So, for 50 bucks, yeah, it's not a Baja, all right? I'm not acting like it's a Baja. Who knows how long it's gonna last? We're gonna do some stuff to this bike. As you can see, somebody put forwards on it, which, nah, we're gonna go back to mid. So we're gonna do some probably like TC Bros mid control mounts, and then do like thrashing stuff, thrashing hardware. We'll do thrashing risers and a thrashing bar. That has built wells on it. They're way too tall. Like, this bike rides awesome. It's a stock 88 with a thunder header on it. Like, that's it. There's nothing crazy done to this bike. So, it runs really good, but it just needs to be set up better. You're kind of sitting in the bike right now instead of sitting on it. So, we're going to do mids. We might do a chain conversion kit. We want to start dabbling in some hood rat shit with this bike, so we'll get it set up to do that. But anyways, quick 3-hole service, good for another 5,000 miles, and then when we start doing the other stuff on it, we'll bring you along. So thanks for watching, guys.